remember?
Yeah.
Maybe not this piece. Raindrops. Top to the bottom.
Oh.
You think so?
Yeah.
You think so?
Whoa, look at that.
Look at that! It's starting to look like a tree, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, yes, it was a tree.
Oh, that looks like this is the tree. We're putting it together. Yeah, how's it look?
Good.
Good so far?
What's that?
This is the tree we're putting together. It's a fake tree.
Oh.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. Where's another one go? Hey, there's another one. Look me. Look me. I did it too.
Look at that.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I did. I taking it too.
You helping?
Yeah, I'm helping.
You're doing a great job. Alright, let's go get the top piece. Can you get it out of the bucket for me?
Yeah.
The last piece?
This piece.
Hey Noah, hey Noah.
Hey Daddy, hey Daddy.
Hey Noah, what is it?
Am I doing this side? I want to do that side. Please, those sides right there. This is my side.
Look up here.
Huh? Which side?
The lights are on?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, there's more.
Right there. Right there.
What do you think of our tree, Noah?
It's good.
Good.
Say hi.
Hi.
Noah, can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas! Baba Ganoush!
Hey Daddy, hey Daddy.
What is it, Noah?
Doing Daddy doing.
Oh, try not to get my balls crushed. Ah!
Here you go.
There you go.
Hey Daddy, get up. Yeah.
Well, I'm trying to find the other cord.
Okay.
You want to go under the tree too?
Yeah.
Okay, go on home and lay down. Lay on your back like I'm doing.
My side. So that way. Put it in the front for you.
Yeah?
I tried to put it in the front. Yeah?
You're a present?
Yeah.
Should I unwrap you?
No.
You are a present from God.
Yeah. I'm on my side now. I'm on my side.
They're on now.
Oh, now. You down.
You're gonna knock me down?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. Oh! You got me. You got me. You want to put on that Santa Claus hat?
No.
Can you bring it to me? I'll put it on.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look.
Good.
You want me to wear it on a fire truck?
Yeah.
Like Santa Claus?